I'm Rendon with Battle of the Tools. In this video, I want to do a review of the USB outlet from a company that is SZICT. So they were nice enough to send me these outlets. They sent me 2 of them to give a try. So these are 5 amp quick charging. It has a built-in chip, so you can charge tablets, you can charge like the iPad, like larger devices. 5 amps is quite a bit of power. These are between $12 and $15 if you buy them on Amazon. I'll include the link in the description of this video. So in the box you get the actual device, you get a USB-C type charging cable, you get a regular white plastic wall plate with screws, and you also get a screwless type wall plate. And these are pretty cool because these are actually a little more pricey. These will cost a couple bucks if you buy them at Home Depot. So it's just this nice, it just looks a little bit nicer. It doesn't, you can't see the screw, so it has a back plate you install on, then you snap the plate over it. It's kind of a cool thing. Let's take a look at the actual device. So it's a tamper-resistant outlet, which means it's just so that kids can't like stick keys and things in there. It's got those plastic tabs. It's also probably required by code. So if you install this in like new construction and get a permit, and it doesn't have that tamper-resistant, it wouldn't pass code. So this is up to code. And then also it's got the 2. They're kind of blue. They say that denotes that it's a fast charging port. So these are 5 amps. And then as far as the back goes, it just has a single screw on each side. So sometimes you'll see 2 screws so you can bring a wire in and out. It does have 2 spots, so you can still do wire in and out, but it's just a single screw. And it kind of has a feel as if it were a GFI receptacle. It's about the same dimensions, and it kind of has about that same feel. The material seems to be pretty good. Sometimes you see really cheap outlets, and you can just tell that they're cheap plastic. This seems to be of the same standard of any like leading name brand outlet. So time will tell, but from initial looks, it seems to be pretty solid. And so it is 15 amp, 120 volt, or 125 volt, 60 hertz is what it says on the side here. That's important because it actually has a built-in chip in here, so that when you plug in a USB, it'll try to detect what the device is, and then it will charge it accordingly. So it steps up the settings appropriately so that it won't damage your device, but also so that it will charge it as quickly as possible, up to 5 amps. 5 amps is quite a bit. I mean, most phone chargers are going to be 1 amp, maybe amp and a half or 2 amps. They'll be like 1,000 milliamps. So 5 amps is quite a bit. You can charge full size, like 10-inch tablets with this. I'm pretty impressed with this product so far. It seems like the company's putting a lot of money into branding and providing a quality product. Sometimes you see cheap product knockoffs out of China that are going to be, like the instructions will be all in Chinese characters. Or it's just obviously a lower quality that's going to break, or you can kind of get a sense that the components inside aren't going to last that long. I don't get the initial impression from this device, but I am going to do a follow-up video and let you know how these 2 are performing several weeks and several months down the road. But from the initial onset, I think, give these a try. I think they're going to be a good device for you, and I would recommend them. Again, the link is in the description of this video. So as always, thanks for watching this video of Battle of the Tools. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe with your questions and comments below, and I'll catch you in the next video.